We got a little bit of cloud today, guys. Here's Peanut lounging on the bench in the sun. He's got the sunny spot up the end there. He spotted some creatures. I'll see if I can zoom in on what he spotted. We are right in coyote territory. We saw a big coyote here last time. And Peanut's just blocked the view. I know what he's looking at. He's looking at, there's some quail, some little birds running along the ground up there, and Peanut's got his eye glued to them. And also last time we were here, out of that hedgerow came a big coyote, and we followed it. It didn't know we were there. It got in front of us and the wind was coming from it towards us, so it couldn't smell us. Anyway, he was a big one. Anyway, enough waffling. We got an old timer to look at. Now this is my first ever old timer, and it's 180T. Battenfield, is that Battenfeld product? Something like that. I can't read very well without my glasses on because I'm an old timer. Here it comes, wrapped in greaseproof paper, a sure sign of quality. Let's take a look at that in a minute. I'll just put the paper away. Alright, Peanut, lie down, lie down, lie down. There we go. Let's get Peanut to lay down so we got a bit of sunshine on our little old timer here. 2 3/4 inches closed. Saw cut Delrin. I keep calling it Delrin, but it's Delrin. Now, it's listed as nickel silver bolsters and shield. Might be my eyes, but they look very brass-like to me. But might just be the light I'm in. First time seeing it, this is. I know it's got brass pins there. It's got one big brass pin where the spring pivots on that big brass rivet there, and 2 more rivets left and right. Yeah, looks pretty nicely made. If you notice on these, the blade is offset to the right, more to the right, because this brass here is twice as thick as the brass this side, and that's because it has brass liners, but also, see this bit of brass sticking up? That's the liner lock. It has a brass liner lock. Let's open it up. Nice nail nick here. I like the feel of that Delrin. Saw cut Delrin. Alright, less yak, more open. This has got a good strength. Good, you need a good thumbnail. Yeah, really good spring on it. Yeah, locks with authority. Look at that blade there. Now I've seen it listed as a drop point. To me, that's a clip point. But we won't squabble about what we call it. It just looks like a clip point to me. And it's got a flat grind and a satin finish on the blade. The blade does feel pretty sharp. How's the lockup? Pretty good lockup. I can feel the slightest up and down, but I mean micro. I'm sure that's probably how they all are. If they're not, let me know. Alright, we'll push that liner lock over. It's even got press written on there, see that? Press stamped into it there. I like that. So we'll press that over to unlock. Let's see where the spring shoots off at. It's got a really good strong spring on it. There you go. That's a finger slice. Have your fingertips down here. That's getting sliced. Fit and finish on this, well, this example is really quite good. I'm really surprised. I'm not feeling any transition from the Delrin to the bolsters. I'm not feeling anything. That's really bang on there. I'm not seeing any horrible gap in there. Blade centering, well, it's not really much room for it to go wrong. It's pretty good. Nice little knife. Why did I pick this one? Well, it was a hard decision. Let's listen to the lockup. It was a hard decision. I almost went for natural bone on the old timers. I was looking at, I think, a lumberjack and a dogleg jack. But I decided on this. I thought my first one should be the Delrin, the saw cut Delrin, because I always see old timers as saw cut Delrin. They seem to have a whole lot more of them than natural bone. So we got a little blade here. I think that's a 2-inch blade. Now the blade steel, from what I can find out, is 7CR17 MOV. Basically it's 400 series steel. It'll have around about 11% chromium in it. Something like that. Anyway, I also, part of me picking this knife was through watching a couple of other YouTuber channels. RJ's Knives and Thrifty Kniffy. I think I said Kniffy right. I call him Thrifty Kniffy. I keep getting, sorry TK, I keep getting your channel name wrong. But there you go. I shall write it on the screen so there's no mistake. Go check them out if you haven't already subscribed to them. Good channels. Right, so here it is, guys. This is my first old timer, and I quite like it. And I'm going to start carrying it straight away. My little 5th pocket carry, which I like to rotate. I like to rotate my 5th pocket carries. So this is going to join that rotation. Yeah. I like it enough to say that I expect I will buy another old timer. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you later.